Why do our hearts beat over 100,000 times a day? Let's dive into this amazing mystery. It's all thanks to your heart's hidden electrical system. Meet the SA node, the natural pacemaker of your heart. It kicks off the beat by sending out an electrical signal. This signal travels to the AV node, the gatekeeper that slows it down just a bit, allowing your heart to fill with blood. Next, the signal zips down the bundle of His, splitting into the right and left bundle branches. Finally, the Purkinje fibers spread the signal like wildfire, making your heart squeeze and pump blood. Isn't it amazing? Your heart's electrical symphony keeps you alive and kicking. Want to learn more cool stuff? Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any topics in mind, drop them in the comments below.